Hey everybody, Right Polo Tech here. In this video, I'm going to give you my review and just show you these new blades that I got from Amazon. The company that sells them is called 8TEN, and the actual blade itself is LawnRazor Mower Blades by 8TEN. So I'm gonna give you my review on them and tell you what I think about them. All right, so I know prices change a lot or whatever, but I just wanted to let you know I got a 6-pack of these blades on Amazon for about $70 and change before taxes. So I mean that's pretty good per blade. That's pretty cheap. So I went ahead and just got the 6-pack of them. And anyways, so I've got one open down here, and I want to kind of just compare it to my old blade that was on there. Now, as you can see, this blade right here has a really long cutting edge. Like, I really like the fact that it goes a really long way. I'm gonna put it right next to this one here and you know, line them up. And as you can see, the cutting edge on this blade is this long. So this one goes this much further. And I don't know if the cutting edge actually makes a difference. Like, most people say that, and I've heard mixed opinions about this, that you only use about this much your cutting blade anyway. So that's why some blades have a really short a cutting edge here. But I tend to like ones that go longer, like this one, all the way down, just because, if no other reason, it just makes me think that it cuts better. I don't know if it really truly does, but I like to think it does. As you can see, this blade that I had on there is notched and rolled here. This one is not notched at all, and it's just rolled up at the end. Very similar to this one over here. Both of these are considered high lift blades. In the description it says this is a high lift blade. It doesn't say it on here, I don't believe. No, but there's the dimensions of the blade. But yeah, I mean, I'm gonna set this one up on its edge here with my foot, if I can get it to stay, just to kind of show you, compare the thickness here. So it looks like they're pretty close in thickness. This one may be just a little bit thicker. It may be just because there's a buildup of gunk on it too, but it may be just a little thicker than this one over here. But these were pretty inexpensive, and you know, I could replace them as often as I'd like, pretty much. So yeah, I mean, so far I feel like they're really sturdy, and I'm kind of excited to get out there and try them. So I'm gonna go ahead and get them mounted on the mower and go take them for a spin. Bobcat up in the air here, and I got the blades mounted on. And like I said, I feel pretty, I mean, they feel pretty sturdy to me. I like the total long distance cutting area here. Like I said, once again, I don't know if it makes a difference or not. As you can see, it's got stamped on there grass side to make sure you don't put the blade upside down. I know it happens to some people. So they stamped it on there just to make sure that you don't do that. Also, whenever I got the blades off, I always scrape the deck. So it's just nice and clean, and it's a lot easier with the blades off to actually go ahead and just scrape it. I tend to use just a putty knife, and it works just great. But yeah, I always scrape the deck. But anyways, it's on there. I'm gonna drop it down and go try them out. All right, so I'm just curious to see what the blades look like on there. All right, so you can see that's the blade mounted on there. It's worn back to about here from cutting. The rest of the paint, if you can see that, is still on. So maybe it is only the first, I don't know, 4 to 5 inches of the blade that does most of the cutting. Huh. It's definitely interesting. All right, so after mowing with them, I can honestly say that they're a decent blade. They're a pretty good blade, actually. You know, the price is pretty good on them. Is it gonna give you stripes when you weren't getting stripes before? No, because the blades don't typically do that. It's the setup of your mower, it's the type of mower, it's how clean your deck is your tire pressure correct, there's a lot of factors that go into getting good stripes. Most of it has to do with the mower itself and the vacuum, the way that the blades of grass are sucked up and then cut off, and the way they lay once they fall. But I guess all in all, these blades are pretty good. I mean, I can't complain about them. I don't have anything negative to say about them. I'd get them again, I think. So yeah, I mean, I'm fairly happy with them. I'll put the link in the description if you guys want to try them out, and let me know what you guys think about them. So anyways, guys, if you like this video, please hit that like button for me. Also hit that subscribe button and click that little bell notification and check out my other videos. All right, guys, I'll see you next time.